we're going to compare two powerful AI models, Claude 3.5 and GPT-4. Both models have been making waves in the AI community, and it's interesting to see how they stack up against each other. New Claude 3.5 is an advanced AI language model developed by Anthropic, named after Claude Shannon. A pioneer in information theory, this iteration builds on previous versions to provide enhanced natural language understanding and generation capabilities. Claude 3.5 excels in tasks such as text completion, summarization, translation, and conversational responses, offering improved accuracy, context retention, and user interaction. It leverages state-of-the-art AI technology to deliver more human-like and coherent text, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications in both personal and professional settings. While GPT-4, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is an advanced artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, has limited ability to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. How do Claude 3.5 and GPT-4? Claude 3.5 emphasizes ethical AI development and safe user interactions, on providing accurate, contextually aware, and ethically sound responses. This model is particularly noted for its ability to handle complex queries and retain context over extended conversations, making it highly effective for applications requiring nuanced understanding and ethical considerations. Anthropic's commitment to responsible AI usage is a core aspect of Claude's design, which emphasizes on safe and ethical AI interactions, prioritizing user safety and ethical considerations. This makes Claude particularly appealing for environments where responsible AI behavior is critical, such as healthcare, legal advice, and mental health support. The new Claude 3.5, developed by Anthropic, has the potential to outperform GPT-4 in several key areas due to its distinct focus on ethical AI development and superior context retention. One of Claude's primary strengths is its emphasis on safe and responsible AI interactions. This model is designed to prioritize user safety and ethical considerations, which is becoming increasingly important in today's AI landscape. As users and companies grow more concerned about the ethical implications of AI, Claude's commitment to providing accurate, contextually aware, and ethically sound responses gives it a significant advantage over GPT-4. Furthermore, Claude excels in handling complex queries and retaining context over extended conversations. This capability ensures that interactions with Claude are smooth and logical, providing a more seamless user experience. GPT-4, while highly capable, sometimes struggles with maintaining context in long conversations. Claude's enhanced context retention allows it to provide more coherent and relevant responses, particularly in applications that require a deep understanding of nuanced language, such as customer service and technical support. This makes Claude a more reliable choice for users who need consistent and accurate interactions over time. Claude's ability to handle ambiguity and complex queries effectively also sets it apart from GPT-4. In scenarios where precise and clear answers are critical, such as legal advice or medical consultations, Claude's superior query handling ensures that users receive the most accurate and relevant information. While GPT-4 is versatile and capable, its responses can occasionally lack the depth and clarity needed for such high-stakes applications. Claude's design, which emphasizes understanding complex language and providing detailed responses, makes it better suited for these specialized tasks. Another reason Claude 3.5 may outperform GPT-4 is its strong user focus and positive feedback. Users have reported high levels of satisfaction with Claude, particularly in its ability to engage in meaningful and coherent conversations. This user-centric approach not only enhances the user experience but also builds trust and reliability in the model. GPT-4, while powerful, sometimes receives criticism for generating less reliable or less contextually appropriate responses. Claude's consistent performance and user satisfaction can drive its adoption in various sectors, from customer service to personal assistant. Reasons why GPT-4 is considered outdated is because it sometimes struggles with maintaining context in longer conversations. This can lead to disjointed or irrelevant responses, reducing the effectiveness of interactions. Users seeking coherent and contextually consistent dialogues may find this limitation frustrating, leading to a preference for alternatives with better context retention. Despite the advancements, it has faced criticism regarding the ethical implications of its responses. There have been instances where the model has generated bias or inappropriate content. As the demand for ethical AI increases, models that do not prioritize ethical guidelines and safe interactions may be seen as less desirable, leading to a downgrade in their use. Although GPT-4 can occasionally falter in handling complex or ambiguous queries with the precision and clarity required for high-stakes applications like legal or medical advice, Users needing detailed and reliable answers may find ChatGPT-4's performance insufficient, driving them to opt for models that excel in these areas. User trust is crucial for the widespread adoption of AI models. ChatGPT-4 has faced instances where its reliability has been questioned due to generating factually incorrect or misleading information. Here are examples of how Claude 3.5 has been used in various applications. Claude 3.5 has been deployed in customer service chatbots to provide accurate and contextually relevant responses to customer inquiries. Its ability to retain context over long interactions ensures that customers receive coherent and helpful support, leading to higher satisfaction and efficiency in resolving issues. Claude 3.5 has been utilized in legal applications to assist with legal research and preliminary advice. In educational settings, Claude 3.5 has been used as a virtual tutor to help students with their studies. Its ability to understand and generate detailed explanations makes it an effective tool for answering questions, providing explanations, and assisting with homework in a wide range of subjects. Market researchers have used Claude 3.5 to analyze and generate insights from large volumes of text data. Its ability to summarize and interpret complex information helps researchers identify trends, customer sentiments, and competitive analysis more efficiently. Claude 3.5 has been implemented in translation services to provide accurate and contextually appropriate translations between languages. Its advanced natural language processing capabilities ensure high-quality translations, making it a valuable tool for global communication. Looking ahead, models like Claude 3.5 represent a shift towards more intelligent, ethical, and user-focused AI systems. As artificial intelligence evolves, ultimately, the future with models like Claude 3.5 holds promise for transformative changes. We can harness the full potential of AI to benefit society and include the future. Engage with our content. Like, comment, and share this video, spread knowledge, and join the conversation. Thanks for being part of our community.